Why, hello my friends, and welcome back. Today we're going to be making a baseball cap. And as always, you know my measurements will be at the bottom of the screen. Right now I'm sketching out my pattern. I just measured my doll's head so I know exactly what size I want. Just like a real hat, the pattern is a triangular shape. And I made a second one for the back of the cap, which is going to be the exact same size. Now for fabric choice. I'm going to be using both of these. You can find this type of fabric at Walmart for 97 cents. If you can't afford any expensive fabric, this is the way to go. So yeah, now I'm just going to trace the pattern onto the fabric. To make this hat whole, we need to trace the pattern 6 times. So for the back pattern, we're going to be tracing that twice. For the front pattern, we're going to trace that 4 times. Yeah, I know it's a bit confusing, but you'll see what I mean. Now we're ready. So you could easily hand stitch this, but I'm pretty lazy right now, so I'm gonna be using my trusty sewing machine. I've sewn 3 so far. Now I'm gonna add another one. You can always pin it if it doesn't stay. Now we're going to fix up the back. So I'm just going to cut a little bit of fabric off the back. Then I'm going to cut slits in the curve. Cutting some fabric at the top. Now I'm going to fold it. I'm going to glue everything in place. I'm going to use a straight stitch to make sure everything stays in place. Now we can finish adding. You don't have to do this, but I add some decorative stitches to the side and I closed it up. Now I'm just going to hem the bottom. To make the bill strong, I'm tracing it onto cardboard and I'm going to cut some tabs. Then I'm gluing 2 pieces. I trace the pattern onto fabric. Now I'm just going to sew a straight stitch and cut it out. Flip it inside out. Now I can add the cardboard into the fabric. Using a strip of fabric, fold it. Then use a straight stitch. You can do this by hand as well. After that, you can add it to the back. I've added the Velcro already. I did that off camera. We're gonna glue the bill. Now for one last final detail, I'm using a hole puncher. Take one of the dots and then glue that onto fabric. It's very small, so it's gonna be kind of hard. Probably using tweezers will be much easier. Glue it to the top of the hat to cover up our imperfections. Let that dry. And we are done, guys. I think this will look so cute in multiple colors, maybe green, maybe blue, or maybe just plain red. So I'm definitely going to be making more of these. And let me know if you guys are actually making these, because I would love to see your project. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're almost to 600 subscribers, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe. Hit the bell. And also follow me on Instagram, because yes, I have an Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye now.